What exactly does a solution architect do? Many people think solution architects only create architecture diagrams or choose cloud technologies. But their real responsibility is much broader. A solution architect bridges the gap between business goals and technology, ensuring solutions are scalable, secure, reliable, and aligned with organizational objectives. In this video, we'll explore the key responsibilities of a solution architect, step by step. The first responsibility of a solution architect is understanding the business. Before selecting technologies or designing systems, they must understand business objectives, user needs, business processes, regulatory requirements, budget, and timelines. Architecture should always solve a business problem, not just a technical one. Once requirements are clear, the solution architect designs the overall solution. This includes defining system components, application architecture, integration patterns, data flow, technology stack, deployment architecture. The goal is to create a solution that is easy to understand, scalable, and maintainable. A solution architect evaluates technologies based on business needs. Questions include: should we use a monolith or microservices? SQL or NoSQL? REST or event-driven architecture? AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud? The focus is not on the newest technology but on choosing the most appropriate one for the project. A successful application should continue to perform as demand grows. The solution architect plans for horizontal and vertical scaling, load balancing, caching, database optimization, high availability, disaster recovery. The objective is to ensure the system can grow without major redesign. Security is built into the architecture from the beginning. Responsibilities include identity and access management, data encryption, secure APIs, network security, compliance with industry standards, risk assessment. Security should be considered throughout the system lifecycle. Modern applications rarely work in isolation. A solution architect designs how systems communicate using REST APIs, GraphQL message queues, event-driven architecture, third-party integrations. The goal is to enable reliable and efficient data exchange. A solution architect works closely with development teams throughout the project. Responsibilities include explaining architectural decisions, reviewing technical designs, supporting developers, resolving technical challenges, maintaining architectural consistency. Architecture is an ongoing responsibility, not a one-time activity. Every architecture decision involves trade-offs. For example, performance versus cost, simplicity versus scalability, speed to market versus technical debt, availability versus consistency. A solution architect evaluates these trade-offs and recommends the best balance based on business priorities. Technology evolves, and business requirements change. A solution architect designs systems that can adapt over time. This includes modular architecture, cloud-native principles, automation, extensibility, continuous improvement. The goal is to avoid costly system rewrites as the business grows. A solution architect does much more than create technical diagrams. They align technology with business goals, manage complexity, reduce risk, and build solutions that are secure, scalable, and maintainable. Their success is measured not by the technologies they choose, but by the business outcomes their solutions enable.